Hello, good morning, good afternoon. It's actually Sunday afternoon for me, but it's Monday morning to you. So, or Monday sometime, maybe, Mask Monday. I'm back. I haven't done one for a while, and I just wanted to share with you my hair situation. And you can see how thin it is. And I cut some more off. So, this is kind of where I'm at. I took a shower earlier and so here we go. Anyways, wanted to share this with you. This is my hair. Today I am going to be doing a couple things. I've got my cucumber eye mask, and I'll go ahead and put that on. It says leave on for 5 minutes, then remove and massage. So maybe we'll just do this one instead. It's a short one then, not so long. And next time I'll do something different. But anyways, so yeah, my hair, I'm still on the regimen. I'm taking all my vitamins, my minerals, and all that kind of fun stuff. Trying to make my hair grow back. This smells like cucumbers, just want you all to know. There must be another one here. I don't understand. Hold on. There we go. And one more, I guess. It was like had a special cover on both of them, and I could not for the life of me see it. This is like crazy. This one's thick, the other one's thin. I don't know. Anyways, whatever. It says leave on 5 minutes, then massage in. I'm like so utterly confused by this. I guess I should have read the directions a little bit better. It says one pair, but it's really bizarre. This one's like thicker than this side. This one's like really thin, and I gotta put it up. And they have like these little individual funky fabrics in between each one. It's really weird. This is from Sephora. My auntie sent it to me. Work on my bags, I figured. Anyways, it's that time of year where sometimes you just want to watch certain movies, and I have certain movies that I kind of enjoy watching at this time of the year. I don't celebrate Christmas. I do celebrate Hanukkah, so you can figure it out. But Harry Met Sally, Breakfast Club, there's like a few movies that I really like to watch during this time of the year, and I'm getting ready to watch Breakfast Club. You can hear it in the background. And so I'd like to hear from you guys. What's your movies? I've got a few movies I like to watch. I really enjoy Meg Ryan, old school Meg. So you got your When Harry Met Sally. I do like watching Sleepless in Seattle and You Got Mail. I don't know why, total girl movies, but they're just really fun to watch at this time of year for some reason. I think it's the coolness in the air, the winter time. And so I'm recording on TV the When Harry Met Sally because I no longer have the DVD. I don't know what I did with it, so it's gone. But there's a few other movies that I really like to watch too. And I've been on a kick with some of these older movies, but like Casablanca and some of the fun old ones by Hitchcock, Charade. There's just so many cool old movies that I really enjoy watching too. So what are your guys' movies that you like to watch at this time of year? Wintertime, cozy fires, maybe a warm, hot mug of your favorite cocoa or coffee or tea. And my little cat is, of course, getting into this. You can't leave anything around him. He's going to think it's his toy. My notebook earlier, kid you not, he grabbed it by this little thing and took it and dragged it on the floor because he decided it was his toy. He is so cute, but he is a stinker. Yes, Mac, you are a stinker. So anyways, not a whole lot going on. Just been busy with work and kind of honestly depressed by my hair situation. I don't know what to do with it, but I know it's going to take time for it to grow back. However, I found out that I'm not the only one that's suffering the same problem. I did not go to work on a Monday last week, and when I got back in, my boss said that this guy who had always had long hair, got COVID, and basically his hair fell out, so he doesn't have any ponytail anymore. He had to go short hair. So I'm not the only one, I guess, that's having this issue, maybe after COVID, but needless to say, I'm having this issue, and it's been definitely frustrating for me. So I've always had really nice hair, really long, or just generally pretty. Even though it's thin, it's thick. I had lots of it. So losing it and it going to where it's this has been frustrating. I don't know what to do with it. So I'm working on it. I'm trying to figure it out. Anyways, I really like this stuff. It smells like cucumber. It's says it's soothing and depuffing for your under eyes. And I can definitely use that. It says 91% natural ingredients too. Or natural origin is what it says on it. I actually think I would probably get some more of these. I like it. I like the coolness on the under eyes. Not bad. Okay, so next time I need to, I guess, follow directions, because I didn't. It says that you're supposed to put it in the fridge for a little bit to keep it cooler, but I didn't do that. Go figure. Anyways, I'm terrible about following directions. Next time I'll do this one. She sent me this one too. It says eye cream mask by Freeman. It's a hydrating glacier water pink. So I'll do that next time, but I'll do the full mask. This one's only 5 minutes, so it's already been 5 minutes. And don't forget to tell me about the movies you guys like to watch. There's still a few other ones I didn't list. Like, I do like watching, because it's like childhood memories, and I don't know why, but I really like watching A Christmas Story. Can't help it. And Home Alone. Good time to watch those. So let me know down below, what are your movies you like to watch this time of year? All right. Till next time, let's take these things off. It's been 5 minutes. Rub it in. And definitely recommend. Nice smell. That's it. What do you guys think? My cat's destroying my window treatments. Oh, Lord. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Bye.